Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported devices. So let's get into it. So, are you one of the unlucky ones who have a device that is not compatible with Windows 11? Maybe you don't have the TPM 2.0 feature, you may not have a required CPU, might fall below the requirement, you might not have the storage space that it requires, or might not have enough RAM. Well, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can bypass all of those checks and restrictions and install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. Please note though, to do this you have to do a fresh install of Windows 11, meaning that you will lose any data that you have, so please back up your data if you are going to try this method. Firstly, you will need to go to the download Windows 11 page. You can do this by searching Google for download Windows 11, but I will also leave a link in the description down below. You need to select create Windows 11 installation, media, and press download now. Make sure you've got an 8GB USB, as this will be required as well. When the file is downloaded, click the little arrow next to it and click open. This will run the installer. Just go through the steps, select your USB and just let it carry on. This will take around 20 to 30 minutes depending on your computer and what power it has. Once this is complete, go to the search bar at the bottom in Windows and search for Notepad. In Notepad, please enter what you can see on screen. I will also paste this in the description if you want to just copy and paste it into there. And you need to go to File, Save As, name it bypass.reg and change the files to all files and save it on a separate USB to your installation media. Then you can install it, well, you can download it onto your USB that has Windows on, but I would go against this because sometimes I've had issues with it working. So if you do have a separate USB, use that. If not, it's not the end of the world because you can put it on there, but it just makes things a bit easier. Then what you want to do is fully power down your PC, plug in the bootable USB that you made earlier, and press the power button on your computer and press your boot key. You can find the boot key for your particular laptop by just searching in what your laptop is and typing in boot key. It's usually F12, but it can be different for some manufacturers, so please keep that in mind. When you boot, you should see your USB. It will be just now labelled USB and then whatever make. Mine's a Toshiba, so it will come with USB Toshiba. You'll press enter and it will boot into the Windows 11 installation. When you come onto the Windows 11 installation, just go through the usual steps, select your language and keyboard, select the version of Windows, go for Windows 11 Pro as Windows Home doesn't allow you to use printers, so Windows 11 Pro is always the way I go. When you've done that, you'll get to a point where it asks for a product key. Just say you don't have a product key for now and press next. And then you'll get to this screen where it says that you are no longer compatible with Windows 11, you can't install it. Then what you need to do is click Shift and F10 together and that will bring up command prompt. In command prompt you need to type in regedit and press enter. This will open a regedit window. Press File Import, find the file, import that file into the regedit and it will say it's successful within a matter of seconds. Click OK and that's installed. Then close the regedit window, close the command prompt window and press back on where it said it's not compatible. Then you'll be sent back to where you were just. Press next again and it will clear the restriction. It will just continue to install Windows. Then all to do is go through all your Windows 11 setup steps and there you go, Windows 11 is installed on an unsupported device. If you like this video, remember to leave a like. Any questions, leave them in the description down below. If you're wondering why this works, it's because of organisations wanting to test older hardware on Windows 11 and this gives them a way to do it. It's a bit annoying that you can't do it in place. There was a way to do it, but it doesn't seem to work anymore. So that is the issue. If you want to join our Discord, you can join that with the link in the description below. I will be pasting the full guide in text form in there as well. If you do get stuck or want to read it through, it's all there for you. Any other questions, as I said, leave them in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as we do a lot of tutorials like this, as well as repairing devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next